guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Allure Beauty Box for May. Whew. It's May. It's almost over. Crazy. Anyway, if you're not familiar with Allure Beauty Box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box from the editors of Allure magazine. Every box has some full size, some sample size, some deluxe, some travel size items from different beauty brands. You'll get tools, you'll get makeup, you'll get skincare. It's a really varied box. It's $25. The price did increase about 6 months ago. It's a great way if you're kind of on the fence about beauty boxes and you kind of want to subscribe to something that's going to give you a good range for a good value. It's definitely one you're going to want to look into. They do also always have, like, when you subscribe, you get like a free gift or something. I do have an affiliate code with them that I'll put down below if you're interested in subscribing. But I do pay for this box. Well, I don't pay for it. It's a gift. An ongoing gift, but it's not sent to me for review. That's what I meant to say. That's the important thing that you guys want to know. Anyway, I will also link down below to my review on my blog, where we'll kind of talk more about the products. Let's just go ahead and get in here. I didn't peek for this one. I didn't. So we are going to find out together what's in here. I have to sneeze, and it's either going to go away because of the light or happen because of the light. It's like a double-edged sword. Double-edged sword. I feel like Jeopardy music should play. There we go. All right. So right on the top, we have a mini magazine. I don't know where you live, by the way, really quickly before we get into this. We have cicadas. They're like crawling out of the ground. These wild, it's like wild. They're huge bugs, and they're just like, they're actually really good for them. They're not like locusts. They're loud and they're kind of annoying because they're everywhere and their little dead bodies are everywhere. But they're super good. They're a good source of food for lots and lots of animals that eat bugs and insects. But they're also good for the soil because they're carapaces. It's like total nerd. As before we talk about makeup, like, what does this even have to do with it, Ashley? I don't know. I'm sharing my knowledge with you. Their carapaces are like good for the earth and soil. So anyway, I actually looked up. I was like, so what's the difference? Because I remember I was trying to do the math. So they come every 17 years. And I remember being a little kid at my aunt's farm. And I was like, I remember hearing them. And I was like, the math doesn't add up, though, for that to be however long ago. And I'm not going to get into the details there because then I give away my age. And I'm totally Tommy Wiseauing this and lying. But anyway, so, and then I was thinking maybe they were locusts. And locusts are the exact opposite of cicadas in that they do come out every X amount of years. They swarm though, and they're extremely bad for crops, for trees, for plants, for everything. So they may have been locusts. But anyway, right now cicadas are here. And cicadas are a really good symbol though. Look, here I am going another tangent. I looked up their symbolism, like in this year of my life, because it's been a crazy year for me, just emotionally, mentally, whatever. I feel like I'm on like the edge of something and I don't know what though. Like, it's crazy. Anybody else out there feeling that vibe? I feel like there's something right in front of me and I don't know what it is. I don't know. Anyway, but they're a symbol of transformation, a symbol of rebirth. And so they're a good symbol, and so maybe this year it's a good portent for me. Anyway, let's get into our box. All right, so right on top here, we have what they call the mini magazine, and each of the items in the box is listed inside here. They do give you the price for the item, but the full-size item. Sometimes it's not really clear whether you're receiving the full-size item, and I don't know that until after I film the video, so that will be in the blog. And I I try to do a price breakdown, but sometimes the sample size, is it worth like figuring out how much it is, or just saying it's a sample size item. All right, so this says there's a lot to unpack. This tells you about one of the items. I really don't want to peek though, so. And here is editor approved discounts on your favorite brands all in one place and only for members. So they do have like a little exclusive section of their website. There's an item in here that has the ingredients, which is kind of actually really nice. All right, so first off, this is the Propolis Light Ampoule from CosRx. I actually had this and I think I reviewed it on my blog. This is a really nice product. It is Propolis extract, butylene glycol, glycerin, betaine, hexanediol, I don't know how to say it, cassia seed extract, sodium hyaluronate, which I no longer use. I think I've told you guys that a lot. Carbomer, hydroxyethyl cellulose, panthenol, which is super good for your skin, and arginine. So basically, you apply a proper amount evenly, a proper amount, whatever you discern, avoiding the eye area, and then this is going to, it's like a serum, and it's going to hydrate your skin. So there's that. This is from CosRx. That's a really nice product, and this is full size. I think it's like 30 bucks. We'll look at the thing then. All right, next up, this is the Augustinus Bader, the Rich Cream with TCFS. This is the, right here. So this is obviously not full size. Cut down on tub time. Between workouts, beach days, and sticky weather, many of us bathe more often during the summer, but too long or too hot showers can dry out the skin, leading to redness and irritation. Keep it short, around 4 to 5 minutes. Use a lighter. Oh, these are just skincare tips. I don't want that. I'm curious about this product with TFCS. Well, when we read our little insert, we'll look at what that is. This looks like it's a hydrating cream. Revolutionary science, biological wisdom. This is a new to me brand as well. It sounds like a spa type brand. Like the packaging looks like something you'd find in a spa. So here it is. I'm guessing it's like a really creamy, rich moisturizer. It has no real smell, which I really like. So this is not, this is a lighter weight, not a gel, obviously, but it's not a super nourishing. Like I wouldn't use this at night. This would be like a pre-moisturizer for me. But I mean, if you like a light moisturizer, I know a lot in the summer, a lot of people don't need as much moisture. Anyway, nice. All right. Okay, Brian, I don't need that. All right, next up we have, this is from Wander Beauty. This is the Sightseer Vitamin C Concentrate. Comes in a pump. That's actually really interesting. Wander Beauty is one of those brands for me that they have products that are a hit. They have products that are a miss. For me, mostly their skincare, I haven't really given a very good shot. It's mostly just makeup products. Their foundation was not a fan. Yo, homie. Okay. I'm not making this. I'm not being dramatic, I promise. Maybe a little dramatic. Oh my gosh. This is the second product in like the past week. I opened an eye cream and like it had a pump. It never worked. It just never. What am I doing wrong? Am I doing something wrong? It's not working. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out later. No time for that right now. All right. Next up we have from Belief. This is the Moisturizing Eye Balm. I have this from Allure from before. I'll try it. I don't think I've ever actually tried it out. But I now that I'm incorporating eye care all the time, whenever I can, I'm like, rub all over. I will definitely try this out. I do love their packaging, and people, these are like cult products. Like people are just, what is the cream called? The moisturizer. It's a gel cream. For me, it's just not enough. And I did find, I think maybe that was back when, before, well, it was definitely before I knew that hyaluronic acid was so offensive for my skin. I do believe it does have hyaluronic acid, and that's why people love it. It makes their skin, you know, fresh and dewy. For me, it makes my skin red and angry. So anyway, all right. Next up, we have the Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Face Liquid Sunscreen and with broad SPF 50. Formulated for sensitive skin. This does have zinc oxide, making it a mineral sunscreen. If you are very conscious of the products that you put in on your skin, I know that there are two types of sunscreen. I say this on my channel a lot. One is chemical, one is mineral. Chemical is going to sink into your skin and use chemicals to push the rays away. The mineral is a barrier, so it will leave. It has pros and cons. So this is going to leave a slight white cast on your skin, but it acts as a barrier between your skin and the sun. It's not nearly as, the ingredients aren't nearly as toxic. It's a weird word to say because obviously you can use other sunscreen, but as harsh, I guess is the right word. So there's that. And that's the thing we got ingredients for. All right. Second to last here is a matcha green tea antioxidant sheet mask from Propolis. I don't even use these anymore. I'm going to actually put this with, I have a ton of sheet masks and I'm giving them away. So there's that. I mean, if you're into them, that's awesome. I won't use it though. All right. Then finally is from Josephine Cosmetics. This is the Lip Power Natural Matte Liquid Lipstick. To use the applicator wand to apply directly onto lips. Go figure. And let it dry for an eye-popping matte finish. Blend with a lip brush or your fingertip to remove excess color. I feel like we got something else from this brand in our... Yes! It was the eye. It was a gold eye thing. So look at the packaging is gorgeous. It's like super pretty. This is a red color. Lip Power. That's the name. And I'm gonna put... Oh, it has like a cocoa scent. Oh, it's like... Whoops. So there it is. That's the color. That is like a red color. I mean, it's a little applicator. I don't know if this is a full size or not. If it is, it's got a small applicator. Isn't that interesting? All right, let's look at our little insert here. And then by the time, hopefully it'll be dried down and we can kind of see that aspect of it. I just made like, this video is gonna be like 18 minutes long and I didn't hardly talk about anything in the box. All right, so Augustus Bader, the Rich Cream, the full size. If you were to buy the full size, it's $265. Wow, I'm a 10-step skincare maximalist, but these are like little, somebody wrote it, like an editor wrote it. But Skinimalism is trending, and Augustinus Bader is the Heathers of the beauty world, an instant cult hit. So I put my serums in a drawer and tried this. Get ready for a long list. Smoothing, brightening, hydrating, and soothing cream. It contains amino acids, vitamins, squalene, and hyaluronic acid. The formula is dense, so a little goes a long way. One pump in the morning and another each evening have made my skin gleam. Without the white cast, other heavy creams tend to leave on my olive complexion. I don't always use it under foundation, but I do use it religiously at night for calming my dry, irritated skin. So that is interesting. I may try it even though it has hyaluronic acid just to see. All right, the Wander Beauty Sight Seer Vitamin C Concentrate is $42. If I ever get it out of there, we'll see. The Josephine Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in Tiphane, T-I-P-H-A-I-N-E. That was on there, but I thought it might be another language. That's $30. The Belief, if it was full size, would be $48. Obviously, it's not. The Cosrx Propolis Light Ampoule is $28. The Perlis mask is $28 for a pack of 6, so divide that by 6, and that's how much the mask, probably like $4. And then optionally, some people received the Shangri Gold Mask Gold Black Pearl Eye Mask, but that was, if you received the Perlis, you didn't get the other one. So that is everything that I received. It's not dry yet, but that's kind of what it's not matte, obviously it's not dry. Anyway, as always, if you're interested in checking out Allure, I will link to them below. I will link to my full review on my blog. I like this box. I think it's really nice. A lot of skincare. You have to balance that out. If you don't want skincare, this might not be the box for you. It's just seeing these videos and understanding the expectation. As always, I will see you guys next time.